So the next part of 11.3 is where we have sometimes extraneous solutions. And you'll notice extraneous solutions, extra is in bold there. Extraneous solution gives you a solution to the problem, but actually when you plug it in, it doesn't work. So that's why it's called an extraneous solution. You always should check for that. So I'm going to do number 8 first. So we have the radical isolated, which is good. We're going to square both sides. So out comes the radicand of 2 minus y, and it equals y squared. So since we have that y squared, hopefully you notice, hey, I'm probably going to have to do some factoring or quadratic formula to solve this. I'm going to bring everything to the left, not the left, sorry, the right-hand side here. So we got y squared plus y minus 2 equals 0. Now I'm going to factor that. And it's nice, 2 is prime, so I have a 1, I have a 2. Because I want it to be a positive y, I'll make the positive 2 and the negative 1. Now I'll do the zero product property. I get y is 1. And I get y equals negative 2. From here we have to check, do they both work? Let's find out. When I plug in y is 1, and I'll try to squeeze that in right here, I get the square root of 2 minus 1, and it equals y is 1. So the square root of 2 minus 1, that's going to be the square root of 1, which is 1. So 1 equals 1, so that works. So this is good. I'm going to underline it. Now I'll try that negative 2. So the square root of 2 minus, again, y is negative 2, so it becomes the square root of 2 plus 2, or the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And what should it equal? It should equal y. Y was negative 2. They're not equal, so that means this is extraneous. So this does not work. So the solution is 1, I'm putting that in set builder notation there, and the extraneous is y equals negative 2. The next one, we're going to square both sides again. However, it is really important that when you're squaring this right-hand side, you put that in parentheses, because now you're going to have a trinomial. So the radicand comes out, x plus 2, but when we do x minus 4 times x minus 4, it's x squared minus 8x plus 16. So we'll bring everything to one side. I'm going to bring everything over to the right. All right, so factors of 14 that will add up to that negative 9 would be negative 2 and negative 7. So we get x equals 2 and x equals 7. Now again, the check. So I'm going to do the x equals 2 first.